Grigori Grabovoi concentration exercises for the second day of the month. Exercise 1. On this day, concentration should be on the little finger of the right hand. As in the previous exercise, you must simultaneously keep in your consciousness the result you are seeking to achieve. You are welcome to repeat this exercise several times a day with intervals which best suit your schedule. You may begin the new concentration exercise after a period of 20 seconds or after an hour or more. You may perform the concentration once or twice daily or 10 times a day or more. It is also up to you to determine the length of each concentration session. You should trust your gut feeling, your intuition. Learn to listen to your inner voice and to hear what it tells you. This applies to all of the exercises and techniques. During this exercise, you don't really have to remain absolutely still. You may even touch or feel something with the little finger of your right hand. You should be at ease and do what you like. It won't disrupt anything. Here is what matters. In general, you have many sensing elements, of course. Apart from the little finger mentioned in this exercise, there are 9 other fingers and many other parts of the body. But at this particular moment, you are being asked to select from this multitude of sensing elements and concentrate on only one, namely on the little finger of your right hand. The purpose of this exercise is to harmonize your control of events. Your control becomes more harmonious. Exercise number 2 for second day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5. 9-digit sequence. 8, 4, 9, 9, 9, 5, 1, 2, 0. The third exercise for the second day of the month. During the second day of the month, you must see the harmony of the world in relation to you. You have to create the world the same way that it was done by the Creator. Look at the world and you will see the image of what will be. Look at the world and you will see your own portrait showing what you now are in this world. This shall be the world everlasting and eternal.